Hi there, Poppin' PJ here, and take a look at this absolute beauty from World of Wheels. This is a 1965 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport, and right away, that Evening Orchid color just stops you in your tracks. It's elegant, it's rare, and it perfectly highlights those long, sleek body lines that made the 65 Impala such an icon of its time. Under the hood, this classic has been completely reimagined. It's packing a 6.2-liter LS3 GM crate engine pushing 430 horsepower, paired with a 4L65 automatic transmission, so you're getting modern performance wrapped in vintage style. It's also riding on RideTech coilover suspension, which means not only does it look amazing sitting low, but it handles like a dream. This is the perfect example of a resto mod done right. Classic on the outside, modern where it counts.